Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial from Arun's Biology. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about the structural components of DNA. So let's begin our discussion. DNA is abbreviated as deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, so it is a polymer of deoxynucleotide. That means the structural unit of DNA is a nucleotide. So nucleotide is made up of basically three components. One is the ribose sugar or pentose sugar, the second one is the nitrogenous base, and the third one is the phosphate group. Coming to the first component, that is ribose sugar, it is basically a 5-carbon carbohydrate and aldose in nature. That means it contains aldehyde group. This is the structure of ribose, where the carbon numbers are indicated as 1', 2', 3', 4' and 5'. And this prime sign is basically given to differentiate between the numbering pattern of this ribose and the numbering pattern of the nitrogenous base. At 2' position, this ribose is having a OH group or hydroxyl group. Now, if it is a RNA molecule, this OH group is retained. If it is a DNA molecule, only hydrogen is present. That means oxygen is absent from this 2' position. That's why DNA is called deoxynucleotide. Coming to the second component, that is the nitrogenous base. So nitrogenous base is basically a heterocyclic nitrogenous compound or nitrogen containing compound. This nitrogenous base is of two types. One is the pyrimidine, another is the purine. So pyrimidine is a 6-membered single ring structure where the nitrogen is present at the first and third position. Okay. So it is of three types. This pyrimidine can be divided into three types based on the functional groups. First one is the thymine, second one is cytosine, and the third one is uracil. The thymine is chemically known as 2,4-dioxy-5-methylpyrimidine. So this is 2,4-dioxy-5-methylpyrimidine and it is designated as capital T. The second one is cytosine or chemically known as 2-oxy-4-aminopyrimidine. So 2-oxy-4-aminopyrimidine. The third one is uracil, which is chemically known as 2,4-dioxypyrimidine and designated as capital U. Coming to the second type of nitrogenous base, that is purines. So purines are basically 9-membered structure and it is a double ring structure where the first, third, 7th and 9th positions are occupied by nitrogen. Now pyrimidine is of two types. One is the adenine and the second one is guanine. Adenine is chemically known as 6-aminopurine. So at 6th position it is having this amino group and designated as capital A. Whereas the guanine is chemically known as the 2-amino-6-oxypurine. So 2-amino-6-oxypurine and designated as capital G. Coming to the third component, that is the phosphate group. So phosphate group is basically a derivative of phosphoric acid, and due to the presence of this phosphate group, DNA is basically negatively charged and acidic in nature. Now this phosphate group comes from the phosphoric acid through dissociation, and through dissociation these 3 hydrogen atoms are removed and it is converted into PO4 3-. Okay, so this is all about the structural components of DNA or basically the structural component of a nucleotide. In the next video, we'll talk about how a nucleotide is formed by different type of bond formation. Okay, so keep tuned and thank you for watching.